Hi, today we're going to make some gingerbread. First, I need to heat the oven. Put my oven on. I'm going to put it to 180 degrees. Okay, that's going to heat up 180. So, you will need some flour, some bicarbonate of soda, some cinnamon, that's optional, I like cinnamon in my gingerbread men, some ginger, there's my ginger in there, butter, brown sugar, golden syrup, an egg, mixing bowl, weighing scales, gingerbread cutter, but if you haven't got one of these you can cut it yourself or use a circle or a Christmas tree or anything you want, and a mixing spoon. So first of all I'm going to weigh out 375 grams of flour. Put this on there. There we go, so you can see it. I'll put that until it gets to 375. Quite a lot of flour. Ooh, is it going to fit in here? I don't think so. 300. Might just fit. 340. 350. 71. 72. 73. 74. 75. 375 grams of flour. And I put that in my mixing bowl. Then a teaspoon of bicarb soda. It looks like flour, slightly different. 1 teaspoon. There we go. 1 teaspoon of bicarb soda. And next we need some cinnamon, 1 teaspoon. So this one's optional, you don't have to, which means you don't have to put this in if you don't want to. I like it a lot. 1. It's hard to get out. 2. And then 3 ginger. Again, ginger, depends on how much you like ginger. If you really like ginger, then you put more in. I'm going to put 3 in, which is about right for me. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now put my butter in. Here's my butter. That's it. Need 175 grams of butter. Oh, sorry, 120 grams of butter. Let's see. You see it? 81. 100. 109, 121. Take a bit out, let's be precise. There you go. 120 grams of butter. Okay, and that goes in. Like so. There's a mixture so far. So I need to use my fingers now. So make sure you've washed your hands. I'm going to turn this into breadcrumbs. Take my watch off. So we're rubbing. So we're rubbing the flour and the butter together. It's a bit squidgy to start with, but eventually it'll all start to come together. Come together. Keep rubbing. It's not a mixing, it's a rubbing. So you keep pushing your fingers and sort of squish it together. That rub. Starting to happen. Stop with the clanking, this bowl's got a thing on it. Clank, clank, clank. Right, that's pretty good. So you're checking for no lumps of butter. Okay. Okay, that's good. Right. I'll wash my hands and then the next bit. Okay, my hands are washed. Now it's to add the sugar and the wet ingredients. These are all dry ingredients, now the wet. So we've got 175 grams, I believe, of light brown sugar. Now, mine was all big lumps and I had to crush it all down. So that goes in. Quite a lot of sugar. I'm going to mix this up. Chicken's no lumps, not really, a few little ones, there you go. Okay, now the golden syrup. There's a golden syrup. This is also sugar. There you go. Only 5 tablespoons. So this is a teaspoon. A tablespoon's bigger, so I've got a proper measuring tablespoon there. Okay, 5 of these. Now this is messy. So it's all very sticky. 1. 2. 3. 4. And 1 more makes 5. Sticky. Okay. Yum yum. Okay, and now the egg. 1 egg. crack the egg, make sure you've got no shell in there. There we go. Good. Now I'm going to mix this all in. And this will come together. Now remember we did the little red hen and she made bread. And she did two things. She made dough and then she kneaded it. Who will help me make my biscuits? Not I, said Katia. Not I, said Robert. Not I, said Lillian. Then I will make it myself, and so he did. Coming together. Want a big ball of dough. I'll use my hands now. Hand is always easier. Right, take it out. There you go. A bit like Play-Doh, but much tastier than Bee's Play-Doh. Can't eat Bee's Play-Doh. So this is kneading. Put it over, push down. There we go. Some gingerbread dough. Okay. Now we need to roll it. So I'll get some more things and then we can roll it. Okay, so now I need to roll it out. So first we need to get a bit of flour. We put a bit of flour down. Do you throw it like that? Like this, and to stop it sticking. Otherwise it might stick. Put a bit on the rolling pin. This, and then we're going to roll. Roll. Pick it up and turn it. Ooh. Roll like this. Nice and flat. This. Now, where's my baking sheet? So I've got a baking sheet with some paper, some grease-proof paper, otherwise they can stick. So once it's nicely rolled, I think that should be okay for now. We're going to get our cutter. I'm going to cut a gingerbread person, very politically correct, and then carefully, whoops, oh no, his head's fallen off. His head's fallen off. Got that there. Do another one, and then get a spatula. Spatula. So, cut a few more. This is quite tricky. Let's see if I can get... Ooh, look at that. Genius. Only one slight leg problem. There we go. Let's do one more. I know, how do I make it look so easy? That's one there. Another one. The head definitely didn't fall off there. Okay, now these needs to go into the oven for 10 minutes. Okay, I'm going to do it in batches. I'm going to do these ones first. I'm going to roll this out and do some more. But 10 minutes, so make yourself useful. Go and tidy your room and come back in 10 minutes. In they go. Let's put 10 minutes on the clock. 10 minutes. Go. Yummy. Hot, be careful. Look at this. One happy gingerbread man. And the cooling rack. Oh look, these two are holding hands. There we go. Look at that. And these ones are going to go in the oven for 10 minutes. Cooled down now, and I'm having one with a cup of coffee, and it's really tasty. Who knew? Simon can cook. Well, Simon can bake. So, are you going to make them at home? Make them. Show me a picture if you're eating a delicious gingerbread person in your garden, or in the park, or in your bedroom, or in the kitchen, anywhere. So, cheers. I thought that was fun. See you tomorrow. Help me. Someone's eating me. Help, help.